Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are going to be working on the tracks today. This is always my favorite time of year when we get some rain and we got to move some dirt around. So what we've got going on today, it's kind of a sad day actually. This mini bike track, pit bike track we've had here for about the last 6 years. I'm pushing it flat. I think we've had our good times and lots of memories with it. So we're going to be pushing it flat, but on the bright side of things, we're going to be building a new track just to replace this one. And also we have the big bike track. So behind me here we have a full-size motocross track. I'm going to also be tuning up that track. It's kind of overgrown from summer and has a lot of rain ruts and stuff. We didn't really ride it through summer. Quick side note, if you look at the whoop section here, there's a bunch of car parts. We took my brother's car through here, leftover parts that ripped off as we went through the whoop section, just to kind of say goodbye to this pit bike track and have some fun with it. Maybe if I can get that video, I'll put a little clip in here for you guys to see.
What? He says you lost the bumper beam. Better watch out. Not the rear bumper. The rear bumper was good. You fucking censored too hard, bud.
Well guys, the pit bike track is all flattened out. It was kind of sad seeing it go. We've had so many good memories here over the last 6 years, and building it was a lot of fun too. That was the very first thing I did when I bought this property years ago. But we're gonna be putting it to good use. We're gonna be building a house on this piece right here in the future, and I do plan on building it on the pit bike track too. Next up, I'm gonna do some work on the big bike track. You can see it's a little overgrown in some spots. Hasn't been ridden on all summer long. Also got some of the corners to fix. I'm gonna open some of these up so they flow a little better. Also gonna build up a double over on the straightaway. And got a few other ideas, but let's get to work. Tabletop's looking brand new again. This has always been a really fun jump. Now the corner after the tabletop is a little tight and it kind of bottles up. It's always one line. So I'll open that up and that should flow into the rest of the track a little better. This dirt is looking pretty good. A little on the dry side, but once we get the next rain, it'll be absolutely dialed. These corners are looking a lot more fun and should flow a lot better. But we're gonna move on to the next part of the track over here where the dozer's at. I'll show you what I got going on. So I've been wanting to build a step up right here. So basically you drop in off that single, come down in, and then pop up over this single here, land on the back side. Looks like the perfect spot for a step up. Man, I cannot wait to hit this thing. Turned out freaking sweet. Next up, I'm gonna fix up this little single here that leads into the step up. And then on the far corner of the track over there, I'm gonna build a little double. I got this little double wrapped up last night. Turned out pretty good. This should be a fun little jump. So this jump is pretty close coming out of the corner. I'd say it's probably 25 feet or so. Then it leads into the next corner here. Got a lot of cleanup to do with the tractor still. But we got some rain last night and this place is looking just absolutely prime. Here's another look at the new step up. Standing on the landing. I'd say this is about a 35, 40 foot gap. In comparison, that tabletop, I want to say is about 50. So pretty tame jumps out here. That's what keeps it fun, keeps you from getting hurt. And it's hard to get hurt on this small stuff. But it's looking like Moto paradise out here. Getting amped to ride. Really pumped on the progress we made on the track over the last few days. This has been just an absolute blast. Moving some dirt around, and let me know what you guys think. And if you have any ideas on obstacles or jumps or some of the corners, maybe some off-camera stuff or something different you see at your local track that I could implement out here, just drop me a comment down below. And make sure you keep an eye out for a riding video coming out soon with the new obstacles on the track and the new layout. It's always a blast coming out here and working on the track. At this point, I almost would rather work on the track than actually ride it. I don't know why that is. I don't know, I like sitting in the equipment too much, but I'm sure once I get out here on the bike, I'll be like, hell yeah, that's why I built this thing. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully a riding video.